Okay, I'm just going to quick guide to the AI prompt builder. I've seen a few people build a few things like this online. It's basically to keep a character, keep its consistency, and you can just play with it and do what you want with it. It's a bit like stuff on Higgsfield. Rather than pay for a subscription on Higgsfield, it just connects to an API key, and then you just go, I think this is file API or key API. So this is configured to get your AI Studio, so it's Gemini for this one, and that's how it runs. So you just save it. So system's running, so you just use your Gemini API key for this one. What we've got to show in here, so it's got a few little things that I quite like. So we've got something we call labs, and that just takes you to some prompts that are on a free network, and you can just see what they are, copy the prompts and just make it to what you want. I just thought that'd be a nice feature to add, so you've got some stuff there you can quickly look at and formulate the prompt. So we go back here, and then I've got one here with the movies. So I've connected some movies that help you visualize what shot you might want. So we've got camera movements, AI prompts here. I mean, I've stole a few things off some people, I made some myself. So we've got like a slow dolly in, it shows you what that is. Slow dolly out shows you that motion. Fast dolly in. Vertigo effect. There's absolutely loads of effects on here that you can just copy. So if you want this large scale drone effect, just press copy, and then we'll take it to the next one. We've got some still shots here, or close-ups, just to show you what they are, what angles they are. 2 shots, over the shoulder type one. 3/4 angle. Worms, I don't know where they get these names from. You've got all these little basic shots that you can just incorporate into your prompt video. So I thought that was quite a nice feature to have in there. So we go back. Should you want to put the prompt in, we'll just copy. You will have to do Control V, and that will give you it. As you can see there, that text there has gone to there. If you want to upload a character, you simply just upload a character. Let's go here, have a quick look. I'm not sure what I've actually got in here. I'm not really bothered with what I put in, I'll just put that in. I'm not going to make the video, just can't be bothered. Then you've got your subject environment, you just put where you want it a desert, whatever. Then you've got shot type. Just click on it, which one you want. That will add to your constructed prompt. Lighting, what kind of lighting you want. We've got all these little ones there, little pictures that show you the lighting effects. You've got your aspect ratio, got a few in there, depending on what you want. We've done the lighting, that way we'll just go back down. Select atmosphere, so you can see the atmosphere, the type of atmosphere that you want. We'll just click that and it will put it in there. We've got landscape, high angle, atmosphere, street level, yeah. Movie aesthetic. So it's got a couple of movies in here that give you the aesthetic feel of the video image you want to create. What else we've got there? We've got camera gear, so it gives you the photographer style. I mean, you can put directly in yourself. This is just a guide. Length of focal length, what lens you want to use. The new photographers out there will know more about this, but we've got loads to choose from, just to make the prompting nice and quick and easy and have more control over it. What else we got? Lens type. So you just add what millimeter it was, and this is what the effect the lens will do. And how many we've got in here? We've got quite a few in here. Well, I think there's about 15 each. So you've got a good amount to play with. Film stock. This is what film it's shot on. to give you that grainy quality, that texture quality, that high movie quality. So then we just generate the image, character reference story. It'll get confused if we do that, won't it? Let's do this again. But basically we'll just upload the image, create a storyline, and then from the storyline you can build on it. I'll just pause it there a minute. Okay, it's created a daft image. We're not too bothered, I just want to show you what goes on. So you can expand the scene, the director's cut, or generate cinematic sequence. You can download this image should you want to, but then it'll do this. I'll analyse what this is. It'll come out with some gibberish here because this is a really bad prompt. I should make better videos, but I'm in a rush, I've got to go out. And then it gives you the director's prompt, what you want to do, and it gives you establishing shots. So first shot would be this, that, the other. And then by doing that, it will create the frame. So you press this, it will create 9 images of these. But we're not going to do that. And from that you would create the cinematic sequence. And that would just create then these images here. So you've got angle 1, angle 2, angle, all that. And then you just add them to your storyline should you want them. Just do 2 then. Then you export to the video manifest. And then you can technically push that up there, make a first frame, end frame. You don't need an end frame. And you can just generate an image. This is using VO through the actual Google account. So you'll only get a few videos a day, so be careful what you do. If you do make one, it might bill you. But they get the idea, so then it just makes a frame. The better the story you put in, the better images you put in, and the better it is. I just want to show you what it does, how it works, and how you can set it up. I mean, you can put outfits on, put objects in, like you would do on Hicksfield and things like that. I think it's a neat little app, not for everybody, but it's there should anyone want it. It's also in the school community, so people can have access for that, and then they'll have the source code for that. So all they have to do if they want to make it better is update it themselves with the API key. You could add other API keys. I've got another video coming out where it's videos from all the API suppliers for all the videos that are coming out. I was holding out till Seedream 2.0 come out, but it's looked like it's going to be on hold for a while because of some legal issues. But I'm rabbiting on. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.